Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingwithali.com, and today we're going to be making a really quick and easy Christmas card, especially at this time of the year. We are donating even more cards than ever before, right? Like in my case, I just find out that I don't have enough cards, so I need to whip up a lot of cards in really no time. So one of the design series paper from Stampin' Up, which is your pattern paper, if you didn't know this, it's called the Toily Tidings, and it's this one. And what I love about this one is that it has beautiful designs, as you can see here, that can go by themselves, right? And so the other thing about this one is that there's other patterns that can go like a mix and match, right? So I was thinking about we can do something like that, right? Or you can even mix and match with this one, right? Something like that, right? So, and the other cool thing is that you have it in two colors. So this one is the garden green, but you have the same design in real red. So the same for this one, you have these in garden green and real red. So with that being said, I thought that we can use the design series paper. And the cool thing about this one is that, let me just show you really just one, is that you can cut this paper in fours, right? So this is 12 by 12, so you'll do four, so you get 3 of those, and then cut it out at 3.5. So you're gonna get out of one sheet of paper 9 cards out of this one. Then on this other design, so in this one, we're gonna be cutting it again in 4 inches, and then this one is going to be cut out at 2. So on this one you're going to get way too many for those. So I've already done that, and I've been already doing some of my cards. So you can have here, and like I say, this is 4 by 3.5, and then this one is 4 again by 2. So this is what I was saying, right? So out of one sheet of paper, you're going to have 9 of these, and out of this one, you're going to get way more than that, right? So we have here our garden green, and this one is 8.5 by 5.5. And as usual, we're going to be folding it in half. So, like I said, this is just to make as many cards as possible. So I just love doing this. Now, for this one, we're just gonna line it up like so, right? So we're gonna put adhesive here. Just go ahead and put adhesive here. And you're gonna see how easy it is to make this card. Now, to line it up, I'm gonna go ahead and line it up with the corners here, as you can see. There you go. And then we're going to be doing exactly the same, but with this little one. So this will cover my card front. And you're going to see how easy it is. And so I like this one. So I'm going to line it up here. All right. And there you go. Perfect. Now I have 2 pieces of cardstock. This one is garden green, which is the same as my card base. And this one is 1 1/4 by 4, because I wanted to cover exactly there. And then I have here a 1 inch by 4. So now on the 1 inch by 4, I'm going to go ahead and bring the garden green, and we're going to do a sentiment. I love this paper because you really don't have to do anything other than like the sentiment, really. And so in this case, I'm using this one, and I'll show you here the stamp set, but this is out of the greatest part of Christmas stamp set from Stampin' Up, which is a great set because it has lots of sentiments. So let me just show you here, right here, so you can see it, all the different ones, and I'm using this one. So anyway, so for this one, we're gonna go ahead and glue down, and I stamped the image also in garden green, so which is one of the greatest things from Stampin' Up, that you have everything color coordinates, right? So everything just matches. Now one thing here is that this is just your decision. You can make it more towards the end or more towards the up of this paper, so depending on how much you want. So I'm probably gonna put it somewhere here. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of line it up. There you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this one right on top. Nope. Then a little bit more here and here, just to cover the corners. And I'm going to be doing the same here. I'm going to line it up here. There you go. So now that I have that, I'm going to bring the double stitch, so that double stitch ribbon, and it's also in garden green, which is the one that coordinates with this suite. And again, I love that everything color coordinate with the Stampin' Up. You can see the ribbon coordinates, the ink, the paper, the design series paper. So it makes it so easy for me to come up with cards, right? Because I just need to pick up the design series paper and then everything else falls in place, honestly. So anyway, so I just did a little bow, as you can see here, and I'm going to be cutting it, and I'm going to be gluing it right there. And you can see how simple it is, but yet it just looks fantastic, don't you think? I mean, we're making this card in what, 5 minutes? Less than 10 minutes, really. So anyway, so you can see here how it looks. And voila, you're done. So if you're needed to do too many of those, definitely you have to go with this one. And you can see here how I've been working on them. This one and that one is out of the same, as you can see. Then I have here in red. Now this one is the real red cotton ribbon, and I have here another one of those. So you can color coordinate with us, and you can see how many, how quickly you can make. And honestly, you can do out of one sheet of paper, just for this section, 9 of them. And I think you have so many of those. And then from this one, you're actually going to be able to more than that, because those are like only 2 inches. So definitely a great card, a great layout to do as many as you can. So if you like this video and you're watching this on Facebook, please like my Facebook page. And if you're watching this on YouTube and you like this video, please like the video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also click on the little bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And also don't forget to sign up for my mailing list, which I always put it on the description of the YouTube video, so that you get more information about all my upcoming classes and other tutorials. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.